Hey friends, it's Jennifer. Today I'm doing a follow-up video to my very efficient continental knitting method, and this is going to be the purl to follow along with that. So here we go. I've got just a few stitches cast on here, and as always I'm going to link needles and thread below. But here's our purl. We're going to start by bringing our yarn all the way in front. Now, once we do that the first time, it's going to naturally want to be in front. But we're going to start here. I'm going to take my right hand needle and bring it through. I'm below my working yarn, and I went through my first stitch on the needle, and that is right to left. So that's our purl-wise stitch. So because I do this really tight continental motion that really protects my shoulders, we're going to come in and we're just going to wrap the yarn around we're wrapping the yarn around the needle counterclockwise, and then we're just going to use the tip of that needle to bring it right through. Let me see if I can show a little bit better. We're going to go straight in through kind of the bottom of that first stitch on my needle. I'm going to take my working yarn, wrap it around, and pull through. So let me do that without quite so much motion, so you'll be able to see how it really works out. There's very little motion happening here. Split the yarn there, come through. So I'm just taking this first finger, barely bringing it over. I'm going to try to get this turned around more upside down so you can see a little bit better. There we go. So it's coming through underneath, kind of to the lower part of this first stitch on the needle. And I'm wrapping counterclockwise. And then we're going to take the tip of the needle and drag it through. One more through, take the tip, drag it through. So you can see when I really get to go in, it's very quick, very efficient, and great on our hands. Look for my other tutorials on the playlist that is attached, and I'm podcasting on this channel every 2 weeks, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.